Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for physics. First, understand that physics builds on core concepts, so mastering the basics is crucial. Ensure you have a solid grasp of fundamental principles before tackling more advanced material. Also, refresh your math skills, especially algebra and geometry, as they are essential tools in physics. Finally, keep your study space and materials well organized for efficient learning. Next, engage actively with the material. Don't just passively read, participate in class, ask questions, and seek clarification on anything unclear. When taking notes, prioritize key formulas, definitions, and step-by-step solutions to example problems. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Practice is paramount in physics. Dedicate significant time to working through a wide range of practice problems from your textbook, worksheets, and online resources. Don't just aim for the correct answer. Focus on understanding the logical steps and reasoning behind each solution. When you make a mistake, analyze it carefully to understand where you went wrong. This iterative process of practice and correction is key to improvement. Finally, consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Schedule regular sessions to revisit older topics and ensure the information stays fresh in your mind. Don't hesitate to use supplementary online resources, such as educational videos or interactive tutorials, to gain different perspectives or clarify difficult concepts. Also, for more great resources, check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.